Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to transfer USDT from your OKX wallet to your Binance wallet. Make sure to watch the video until the end, not to miss any important details. Like and subscribe. So for privacy issues, a lot of the screen is going to be black while I'm talking, so just follow with me slowly and you will see exactly what I'm talking about. So from here, all you have to do is open your main page and then go to the portfolio section on the right section. Then from here, you're going to go and click on withdraw. Then it's going to say to withdraw crypto or cash. You're going to select withdraw crypto. Then from here, it's going to give you a couple options, or you can search for it. So simply search for USDT and then click on it. Now from here, it's going to say new destination for exchange or wallets. Click on here. And then from here, it's going to tell you to select whichever network. So I personally use Ethereum. Click on that one. And then from here, finally, it's going to ask you for the address and the withdrawal amount. Now to get this information, exit the application, and then from here you're going to go and search for Binance. Now in Binance, you're going to go to your portfolio section again, and then from here you're going to add funds. Then from here you're going to click on deposit crypto, and then from here you're going to select USDT. Now that you have USDT, you're going to choose the same network that you have chosen OKX, such as Ethereum. And now that you have the code and the deposit code for it and the QR code, you're going to simply copy it and then go back and open OKX wallet. And then from here, you're going to paste it in the address section and then whatever withdrawal amount you might have in mind, from 1 to whatever much. And then from here, simply click on submit. Then from here, as you can see, it will receive directly to your Binance wallet in minutes. Thank you guys for watching. See you next time. Bye bye.